It can be tricky to start up a food truck business and make it successful right out of the gate. But if you're one of those entrepreneurs who did the research, found a niche, started up a food truck business where there was a lot of demand for your specialized product, then congratulations. You now only have one problem: deciding how fast you want to grow. Food truck businesses may sometimes need an injection of capital in order to grow their businesses with new equipment or new personnel or licensing and fees, not to mention inventory costs. And some food truck owners find that they need funding for all of these at the same time. Fora Financial tops the list of FinImpact's choices for lenders that offer high loan limits. When you need a loan of a comparatively large amount, Fora Financial is the place to go for a food truck owner. Let me give you an example. Suppose you've been successful recently in your food truck business, and you've noticed that people are lining up. In fact, the lines are getting so long, you're fairly certain that you are losing business from customers who simply don't want to wait around. And so you decide you need to increase the size of your truck. You'll need to increase the amount of equipment within and hire some help. You feel certain that you can increase the number of customers and the amount of revenue you bring in if only you had a bigger truck. Your current truck will fetch a reasonable price on the market, but it will take a little while before you can sell it. And so you'll need a loan of a fairly considerable size to go out and buy a whole new truck. If you're in a situation where you need a lot from an alternative lender because you don't want to wait around and you want to get your business up and going as fast as possible, then working with Fora Financial is something you should consider. Besides the fact that Fora Financial offers loans up to $750,000, there are a couple of other things that make them worth considering. First, the minimum credit score that you will need is only 550. As you can see, considering credit scores that low, Fora Financial is serious about working with even the most ambitious food truck operators. Second, they require no collateral for their loans. The easy application process is the only thing you need to allow yourself to be considered for loan approval. Third, Fora Financial is actually willing to work with food truck owners that haven't been in the business that long. They will consider making a loan to you even if you've only been in business 6 months. The fourth advantage that Fora Financial offers is a discount for paying off your loan early. That's right, you can even reduce your interest rate charge so long as you pay off the loan early. The loan terms that Fora Financial makes available aren't as long as some others. They offer 2 options for loan term lengths. It can be as little as 4 months, or it can be as long as 15 months. But either way, it's a fairly short period of time in which you're expected to pay back the loan. One other challenge is that they require that you're already successfully bringing in revenue. Fora Financial requires that you've been in business for at least 6 months operating your food truck and have earned at least $144,000 in gross revenue. If you haven't hit that level of success yet, you might find it difficult to work with an alternative lender. But if you're there, Fora Financial can be a good partner. Fora Financial offers solutions specifically tailored to the food truck industry, so they know a little bit about making equipment loans in the food industry. In fact, they have extended more than $154 million specifically to food industry financing to over 3,700 customers in just the past few years. If you've got a big opportunity ahead of you and you're considering taking out a big loan, then you're going to need a big partner qualified for your industry. Be sure to check out Fora Financial to see if they can help you out.